Hey guys, this is Hello from the Highway, episode 3 for May 16, 2011, or 2011, or 2K11, depending on how cool you are. As you can see, I'm not in the car right now. I actually got out of the car because I wanted to show you this place. This is Iowa 80, the world's largest truck stop. So go over here, check it out. Paul Stewart would be so happy to be here right now. Every kind of blinking light you can imagine. There's a whole truck inside this shop. They'll customize whatever you want. You want pipes, they got them. You want a new steering wheel, they got it. They got it all. There's another truck over there. Let's take a walk down this way. More pipes, chrome everywhere. Chrome, bling out your truck. Come here and bling out your truck. Check it out. You can put an eagle on the front of your truck. Got all kinds of lights, signs. Check this out. Back off, get away from my truck. This place is sweet. Got pillows, some kind of back pain relief thing, boots, a whole DVD section, cowboy hats, belts, some kind of cowboy jacket, a custom shop right here. Get your name put on whatever you want. Really sweet shirts over here. You gotta check these out. These are great. I mean, these are classic shirts. Got the dolphin jumping out of the water. Got the eagle. The eagle has landed. Horses. Can't go wrong with horses. And come on, dogs. Really, you gotta love it. You got creepy dragon things. Got this lady. And him too. Got hats. All kinds of stuff. Let's go outside. You got, whole truck here. Trailer and all. Verizon wireless store. You can buy a guitar here. Okay. Going out the front door. Check it out. Semis everywhere. There's the sign, the proof. World's largest truck stop, Iowa 80. Here's one side of it. This place is 3 stories tall. There's restaurants, gift shops, everything a trucker could want is right here in this one place. It's incredible. Paul, I wish you were here to enjoy it with me, but you're not. Guys, I gotta get back on the road. Hope you're having a great time like I am, and I'll see you all later.